Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I got this lovely unit on my head, how I made this frontal wig. So stay tuned for this. So you guys already know this step. You need your bleach, you need your volume, either 20, 30, 40 volume, whichever one you're going to use. And you're also going to need, your dye brush and the dye bowl. Remember, we are bleaching our knots, so you don't want it to be a really running consistency. You want the consistency to just sit on top of your lace. For the people that are wondering what hair company this is, I will be doing a review on this hair, so I cannot put the details of the company as of right now, but please look out in the future for the review on this hair. Okay, so now we're gonna leave it for 30 minutes, guys. Leave it for 30 minutes. So just remember, when you're rinsing your hair, washing it out, whatever you do to it, cold wash, whatever, to use warm water, not too cold, not too hot. Warm water is the best type of water to use. And remember, you need some moisture. Moisture. Oh my God, you need to put moisture back into your hair. That's why it's really good to use a conditioner that is rich in moisture. After you bleach your knots, you're pretty much going for that look right there. That's the type of look you want. Okay, so after I let it air dry for a day, it's time for us to do the install, well, the crafting. While I was doing this, I was debating whether I wanted to do the hot glue method or the sewing. I opted for the sewing just because I do plan on dyeing this hair eventually. I have a hair color idea for this hair, so I will come back with a video with that. Okay, so now at this point I am plucking my frontal because the frontal was just a little bit too thick for my liking. So I started plucking it. I didn't finish plucking it on the video, but I did pluck it some more after I tried it on. So there you go, guys. That's how I got this nice little unit on my head. I do plan on dyeing this hair, so I will come back with a video with that. And until then, I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.